personal mission to get hot fudge sundaes, extra cherries for each and every one of you. You have beautiful eyes.
The odds of intelligent life beyond the Earth are extremely small. Also, the CIA is doing a fantastic job.
Hey, you're doing it wrong.
And after an estimated 1.3 billion years, the first multicellular organisms evolved. We now turn to Darwin, chapter 5, verse 6.
I want to go to bed now.
Don't move him, I'm an EMT. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, it's gross, man.